Dear students, welcome to 29th maths class. So let us solve problems on miscellaneous, right? Miscellaneous problems. You take this one. If A is equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2, show that A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to O. Solving this problem is so easy because already we have solved this type of problems. This type of problems are already been solved. So how to solve this means, how to prove this means, we will go for proving this as LHS is equal to RHS. In that LHS, for that LHS, I need A square value, 5A value, 7I. First you calculate these things, that is A square, 5A, 7I. Take LHS and substitute, surely you are going to get null matrix. Null matrix means O. A matrix which contains only zeros is called null matrix. Okay, let us find out A square. A square means A into A. 3, 1, minus 1, 2 into 3, 1, minus 1, 2. First row, first column. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Minus 1. First row, second column. 3 1s are 3. Plus 1 2s are 2. Next, second row, first column. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Second row, second column. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Plus 2 2s are 4. Simplify this. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 8, 3 plus 2, 5, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5, 4 minus 1, 3. I got the A square value. Next I find 5. Multiply all the elements of A by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, minus 5, 5 2s are 10. I got 5A also. Now you find 7I. 7 into I means identity matrix. 1 0 0 1. Here we are working with the second order matrices. Keeping that in mind, for I you must have to choose second order identity matrix. You should not go for choosing the third order identity matrix. So right, multiply by 7. 7 into 1, 7, 7 into 0, 0, 7 into 0, 0, 7 into 1, 7. Now I take LHS. That LHS is A square minus 5A plus 7I. Substitute for A square. So we got A square. A square is 8, 5 minus 5, 3 minus 5A. Here is 5A, 15. 15, 5, minus 5, 10. So 5A. So substitute for 7I. 7, 0, 0, 7. Now you simplify this. 8 minus 15, it is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 must be 0. Next, 5 minus 5, 0 plus 0, 0. Next, minus 5 plus 5, 0 plus 0, 0. 3 minus 10, minus 7 plus 7, 0. I got null matrix. This is O. So is equal to RHS. We proved that is A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to O. So we completed solving this problem. Let us go for one more question. Let us go for next question. Next question is find x if x minus 5 minus 1 into 102 021 203 into x 4 1 is equal to O. O. Here it is asked to find out x value. To find x, I must take this full equation. Whenever x required, we always go for taking the full equation. You know that very well, right? So let us take that full equation. You take that full equation. Solution. Full equation is x minus 5 minus 1 into 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3 into x 4 1. You observe this equation, students, clearly we have three matrices, matrix 1, matrix 2, matrix 3. Further, they are in product form. Product form means multiplication is invited. Multiplication is invited. You can multiply in any way in the sense multiplying these two first, then going for this, or multiplying these two, then going for this. Both are correct. So I do like this. So write that x minus 5 minus 1. So multiply, I multiply these two. First row, first column. First row, first column. 1 into x. First into first. Plus second into second. 0. Plus 0. Plus third into third. 2 ones are 2. 2. First row, first column over. 1 into x. 0 into 4, 0, plus 2 ones are 2. Next, second row, first column, 0 into x, 0, 0, 2 4s are 8, 8, plus 1 ones are 1, plus 1 ones are 1. Next, third row, first column, 2 into x, 2x, 2x, plus 0, plus 0, plus 3 ones are 3, is equal to O, is equal to O. Simplify this. So now x minus 5 minus 1, that is x plus 2, x plus 2, 8 plus 1 9. Next 2x plus 3 is equal to O. That implies again two matrices are in product form. Multiply first row, first column, first row, first column, first into first, plus second into second, plus third into third. So as usual, first into first, x into x plus 2, multiply this x to x plus 2. So I multiply x plus 2 by x, right? X into x square, x square, x into x square plus 2x, x square plus 2x. First into first over, plus second into second, 9 5s are 45, minus 45. Next third into third, minus 1 into 2x plus 3, minus 1 into 2x, minus 2x, minus 3 is equal to O. Simplify that. X square, 2x get cancelled, minus 48 is equal to O. O means null matrix. You observe, students, this matrix contains only one element. What is the order of this matrix? 1 cross 1. One row, one column. Therefore, by keeping this in mind, for that null matrix, you should take only one element because order should be same. 1 cross 1, 1 cross 1. Null matrix containing only 1 0, right? A matrix, if it contains 0, is called as a null matrix. Now equate. This implies x square minus 48 is equal to 0. That implies x square equals 48. That implies x square equals plus or minus 48 is equal to plus or minus 16 3s plus or minus root 16 4 root 3. So tell me the values of x plus or minus 4 root 3. I think you understood this. Let's go for one more question. Here I write a question for yourself. You solve one more question of the same type in home. You solve this at home. Find x for what value of x, for what value of x? 1, 2, 1 into 1, 2, 0, 2, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2 into 0, 2 x is equal to O, is equal to O. So as usual, you find out x value. You find out x value, you only solve that question at home, right? Let's move on to one more question. Let us move on to one more question. Let us move on to one more question. The question is, if A equals alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha, so is such that A square equals high, then prove that 1 minus alpha square minus beta gamma is equal to 0. Is it? I ask one so simple question. This number, is it 0 or O? It is 0 because we don't have matrices on left side. Only if there are matrices on left side, this symbol takes the meaning of O. Otherwise, it's 0 only. Right? Now, you take this equation, A square equals I. For this equation, I need A square. First, I go for calculating A square. You calculate A square. I already know that substitute for A square and I, you are going to get that much. Okay. A square. A into A. What is A? Alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha into alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha. As usual, first row, first column, alpha into alpha square plus beta into gamma, beta, gamma. First row, second column, alpha into beta, beta, plus beta into minus alpha, minus beta alpha or minus alpha beta. Both are same. A into B is same as B into A. You all know that very well. First row, second column, carefully observe. Alpha into beta, plus beta into minus alpha, minus beta alpha or minus alpha beta. Both are same. Second row, first column, gamma into alpha, gamma, minus into plus, minus, alpha into gamma, gamma. That is second row, first column, first into first plus second into second. Next, second row, second column, gamma into beta, gamma or gamma beta, minus into minus plus alpha square. So students, we got A square. You substitute A square and I in this equation. That implies, how much is A square? A square is alpha square. Simplify this. Alpha square plus beta, gamma, alpha beta get cancelled. 0. Next, alpha gamma, 0. Next, so alpha square plus beta gamma. Now, you substitute in this equation. A square is equal to I. First, you substitute for A square. What is A square? Alpha square plus beta gamma, 0. Next, 0. Next, alpha square plus beta gamma is equal to I. You all know I identity matrix very well. What is identity matrix? 1, 0, 0, 1. These two matrices are equal. You take this quantity is equal to 1, 0, 0 need not to take, 0, 0 need not to take, this quantity is equal to 1. Observe, taking this one is equal to this one is same as taking this one is equal to this one. You take one among these two, right? That implies alpha square plus beta gamma is equal to 1. You send these two terms right side, you will get the answer. Right? That implies 1 minus alpha square minus beta gamma is equal to 0. We proved that, students. With this matrix chapter got over. So we shall meet in the next class with the next chapter. Thank you.